Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here at Festa 67's workshop for another review, and it's another paper model. It's a 1/200 scale Bismarck, and look at the size of it, 125 centimetres long by 18 centimetres wide by 30 centimetres tall. Big boat, big boomsticks, loads of noise, bommy, bang bangaroony. Yeah. So thanks to good old Frankie at Frankie Days for putting me onto these. Bit of spider pig for you there. I'll leave that in. Saves me having to get my coat. A little bit of history about the ship. Some exploded diagrams, and you basically start building all the internal bulkheads bit by bit. See, and it shows you page by page how you put this bad boy together. See, all the different pictures and that. See, and then all of the bulkheads, and you basically apply this to a piece of card. Now you can use greetings card, what I tend to use is cereal packets. You know, don't throw the empty boxes away, keep hold of them, glue the paper to it, cut round it, and it gives you a nice solid shape. Sorry for me cup clinking there. And yeah, so that is what you do, and you just apply this, join it all together and build the inner frame of the ship as per the diagram at the front. Excuse me. And then obviously your turrets, and then you get onto the shiny colour stuff. And the detail is absolutely stunning, absolutely beautifully recreated, and it's a lot thicker as well on the colour printed stuff. So yeah, you could probably apply it to card, but I don't think you'd actually need it on this because it does seem a lot more substantial than the bulkhead stuff. So the bulkhead stuff I would definitely put on card, but this stuff I think I'd go with the thickness it's on, to be quite honest with you. Seems okay. And this is just all the different sides and sections of the ship, and it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, you know, I don't condone what the ship supports, because, you know, it was a tragic time in mankind's plight, you know, and any symbology that is appearing on this video I don't condone, but it is a part of our history, so if anyone's offended I apologise. But at the end of the day, it's part of this model, and I'm recreating something of historical accuracy as best as I can, so I will keep it on there. But I'd just like to clarify that I'm not glorifying what they stood for. This is again the coloured parts of the turret, the outer skins, and yeah, it is absolutely stunningly recreated. You can, I mean, even down to the aircraft that sits on the hull. I mean, look at that. I mean, come on. Yeah. And this is going to be a monster. It is absolutely going to be a cave breaker, this is, because it's going to be massive. I've got to find somewhere to put it yet. Probably going to sit on the big shelf that I've got right to my left. See, and then I'll do a nice wood stand for it to sit on. I twatted that camera again, I'm sorry folk. And gives you an idea of what to do and how to make bulkheads, and what to do and how to do it, and some of the terminology used. So if any of you out there haven't got a paper kit or thought about it, give it some thought. I mean, alright, I think I paid £30 for this, and a lot of people think 30 quid for a bit of paper, you're burnt, mate. Yeah, but where can you buy an 125 centimetre long by 18 centimetre wide, 30 centimetre tall replica of the Bismarck for 30 quid? You can't. Now you can. Totally different skill set for me. Follow me on my journey of Bismarck or paper model crafting or whatever, and see whether or not we can make a go of this bad boy. So that's one for the future that I'm really looking forward to doing. Different skill set for me, as I've said, so follow me for the journey. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel if you're a subscriber. If you're not, please subscribe, it helps immensely. Follow me on Facebook under the same name, Festa 67's Workshop. You can also see me down on Patreon, and I'm on Instagram as well. All the details will be coming up in the end credits anyway. Feel free to email me as well, that will be on the end credits. And until the next time, thank you for watching. Thank you for following me on my model making journey. I love everything you say and send me, and that you all post up on me group and that. You know, I love seeing your work, so keep it coming, and hopefully we can learn together. So thank you again. See you next time. Bye bye for now.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.